Here we're going to demonstrate how to finish and sand your top sheet and your sidewall. We'll give you two different sidewall options and provide some key reminders.
First, we'll look at how to deal with the angled style sidewall. Convert your top sheet remover into a sander by removing the Panzer file and adding the trigger clamp. Then wrap sandpaper around your file or stone. Anything flat will work. Position the sandpaper so it contacts the sidewall step only, but doesn't touch the flat right here. In this zone only, take as many passes as needed to create a smooth, even step that transitions nicely into the flat part of the sidewall. Next, adjust your angle as needed and sand the top sheet sections of the tips and tails and blend in the crossover points where the top sheet meets the sidewall right here and here. For this flat section, wrap your sandpaper around the sanding block and sand until smooth, removing all imperfections. To maintain smooth sidewalls throughout the season, use FiberTex with your top sheet tool. Or another option is to wrap your FiberTex around a green gummy and get the edge of the gummy right into this transition, using it as your guide. Polish the 3 different angles along your ski to keep them really smooth. If you've opted to create a curved style sidewall with your round cutter, then wrap your sandpaper around a dowel or just use your thumb and sand it to your liking. Sand the tips and the tails of the top sheet as previously demonstrated and treat the flat section of the sidewall the same way as well. It should look like this when you're finished. These methods will allow you to achieve a smooth, uniform top sheet and sidewall that won't interfere with the correct sharpening and polishing of your edges.